Your question is, when a cricket ball is thrown upward, it reaches a maximum height of 5 meters. What was the initial speed of the ball? How much time is taken by the ball to reach the highest point, where they have given g is equal to 10 meters per second square. Now understand this. Suppose we are throwing the ball. This is your initial point. Here the ball is in our hand. So that means its initial velocity is 0 at that time. Now when we are throwing, what he has told, thrown. When we are throwing, our initial velocity will get increased. That we have to find out. Now the ball has gone vertically upward and it reaches a height. That height they have given you 5 meters. Now when it reaches a maximum height, what happened? At that time their velocity get reduced, or you can say 0. So now the final velocity is 0 now. ठीक है? एंड देखो और इसने क्या कहा है, we have to find out the v. They have given the height, or you can say it's a distance which they have traveled. अब देखो और कुछ कहा है इसने, no, nothing. We have to find out the initial, that means u. तो हमारे पास में we have formulas. What are they? They are v is equal to u plus at. This is the first formula. Here we have v is here. Next is u, we have to find out. A they have already given. That is your g. Now the formula changes to v is equal to u plus gt. Now, so this is your first formula, where we are not knowing the time also. And second, what they have told you, how much time is taken by the ball to reach the maximum height. Now by this formula we can go further. So what is that? Next formula. Next formula is what? S. S means h. है ना, distance. So we can say h is equal to ut plus half gt square. This is your second formula. Here also we can see we need two things. What? Time and your distance. Time is required. So we can't go for this also. Third one. Third one is your v square is equal to u square plus 2 gs. Now you can see that now we can find out here. Y means we have v, we have g, we have s. तो अब हम इस फॉर्मूला से उसको निकालेंगे. तो थर्ड फॉर्मूला. So what is that? V square. V is 0. So we can say 0 is equal to u square. U we have to find out plus 2 into g. You can see the ball is moving upward. That means against gravity. So they have given 10. That is towards gravity. So now we can say it's a minus 10. Minus 10 into s means distance, or we can say h. So that is your 5. Now bring this to this side. You will get plus man. 2 into 5 is 10 means 100. So 100 is equal to u square. तो नाउ वी कैन से u इज इक्वल टू 10 मीटर्स पर सेकेंड. दिस इज योर इनिशियल वेलोसिटी. नाउ कम्स टू सेकेंड वन. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टाइम. टाइम वी कैन गो फॉर फर्स्ट वन ओनली. तो v is 0. Now u is 10 plus a means g, that is your minus 10 है ना. तो minus 10 we can write it as minus 10 into t. Now bring this to left side. You will get 10t is equal to 10. तो t is equal to we can say 10 by 10. That is equal to 1 second. तो हमने इनिशियल और टाइम दोनों निकाल दिए.